She said the other way doesn't so this way. Oh, okay. Yeah, that is okay.
My heart now sprinkled clean, with grateful praise I bring, through the new and living way. With confidence I pray. I long to see your face, secure within your embrace. Lord, show me the pain that breaks your heart again. Lord, show me your face. Show me your face. Your blood spilled on the spear. With boldness I draw near, into the most holy place. I come to seek your